What is up, guys? I'm here to tell you how to reset the maintenance required notification that you get on the display screen in a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. So the first thing you need to do is locate the small stick here on the dash. I'm not sure if you can see. Let me turn the light on here. That cycles through the trip meter. So you want to make sure that that's on trip A. So now that I have that on trip A, I'm going to turn the car off. So now that I have that on trip A, what I'm going to do is hold down that stick that selects trip A, trip B, while I turn the car on. You don't need to start it. You're just going to turn it on and you'll see it count down. So I'm holding it down now and I'm going to turn it on, and you'll see here it shows a reset, and now it's gone. And now I can cycle through the display. And you can tell that the maintenance required notification is now gone. So sorry it's dark in here, guys, but that's how you do that. Hopefully that came out well on the video, and if you have any questions, post them down in the comment section below. This should work on all 5th gen 4Runners, I think 2013 and up to 2018, as far as I know at this time. So thank you. Bye.